बिस्मिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है विच इज़ अबाउट स्फेरिकल मिरर। स्फेरिकल मिरर गिव्स रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्रिंसिपल image distance, object distance and focal length of the mirror. Simply it gives relation between P, Q and small f. Now we are going to derive spherical formula. When we derive a spherical formula, then we sketch a diagram. When we sketch a diagram, then a line which is passes through the principal focus and on the pole, when passes on the principal focus and a pole, and this is known as principal axis. Now we place its object behind principal focus, and the object is denoted by AB. When the object is denoted by AB, and then there are two line rays will be passes. One is passes on the striking on the pole. When they will strike on the pole, then they will be reflected the same angle in opposite direction. And the second ray comes from the top of the object AB and passes on the principal focus and striking on the mirror. When they will strike on the mirror, then they will move in the opposite parallel to the principal axis. And these two reflected rays will coincided with each other at a point A prime. At a point A prime. When they will strike at a point A prime, then there is image is formed. An image is denoted by A prime, B prime. Image is denoted by A prime and B prime. A prime and B prime is also denoted by HI, and AB is denoted by H naught. Now there are many triangles. Now we get two similar triangles. Now we consider two similar triangles ABP, and the second one is known as A prime P B prime. This is two similar triangles. Now we draw relationship. How we draw relationship? As we know that AB divided by A prime B prime is equal to PB divided by PB prime. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि height of the object divided by height of the image, distance of the object from the pole and distance of the image from the pole. So from this relationship we can get that AB divided by A prime B prime is equal to PB divided by PB prime. Now as we also know that AB is denoted by H naught. AB is denoted by H naught, and A prime B prime is denoted by HI, and PB as the distance between the object. So the distance of the object from the pole is denoted by P, and PB prime denoted the distance of the image from the pole. So PB prime is denoted by Q. Now we are putting these values in this equation. By putting these values in this equation, AB is replaced by H naught, A prime B prime is replaced by HI, and PB is replaced by P, and PB prime is replaced by Q. Now first we get a equation which is denoted by equation number A. We get a equation which is denoted by A. Now again take two similar triangles from the above figures. From the above figure we get two triangles, similar triangles from the above figure. So first triangle is ABF या AFB. जो आप लेना चाहते हैं ले ले, ABF या AFB. And the second triangle is FPE. The second triangle is FPE. By taking two similar triangles ABF and FPE, we also know that height of the object divided by height of the image. Height of the object is denoted by AB in this case, while in this case the height of the image is denoted by PE, because AB and P is parallel to each other and they are have a similar magnitude. So we can say that A prime B prime is equal to PEK. A prime B prime is equal to A prime and B prime is equal to A prime and B prime is equal to PEK. Now we get a relation with AB divided by EP is equal to BF divided by FP. BF divided by FP. Now as we also know that AB is denoted by H naught and P is denoted by HI, and FP is the distance between the pole and principal focus, which is equal to small fk या focal length के, small fk और focal length के. अब एक चीज़ की वैल्यू हमारे साथ मालूम नहीं है, वो है BF का. इसकी वैल्यू हमारे साथ मौजूद नहीं है. इसकी वैल्यू हमारे साथ मौजूद नहीं है, तो हम इसकी वैल्यू मालूम करेंगे. किस तरह मालूम कर सकते हैं? बाय डिफरेंशिएटिंग बिटवीन BP एंड FP. ये डिस्टेंस हमें मालूम है, ये कुल डिस्टेंस हमें मालूम है. हमने ये डिस्टेंस मालूम करना है, तो हम मालूम कर सकते हैं बाय डिफरेंशिएशन. वी नो दैट BF इज इक्वल टू BP मनफी FP. BP मनफी FP gives us BF. अब इसके बाद हमने ये करना है कि BP is the distance of the object from the pole. BP is the distance of the object from the pole, so it is denoted by P, and FP is the distance of the principal focus and pole, and this is denoted by small f. So we can say that BF is equal to P manfi F. BF is equal to P manfi F. Now place these values in the above equation. इस equation में हम इस वैल्यू को क्या करेंगे? प्लेस करेंगे. By placing these values, these all values in this equation. इस equation में हम इस वैल्यू को क्या करेंगे? प्लेस करेंगे. By placing AB is replaced by H naught here, EP is replaced by HI here, BF is replaced by P manfi F here, P manfi F here, and FP is replaced by small f, and we get a second equation which is known as equation number B. We get a second equation which is known as equation number B. Now we are going to compare two equations, which one is known as equation number A and equation number B, because their first term H naught divided by HI, H naught divided by HI is similar, so we can compare these two equation. हम इन दो इक्वेशन को कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. By comparing equation number A and equation number B, we get PQ is equal to P manfi F divided by F. By cross multiplication, PF is equal to Q into P manfi F. Q into P manfi F. So PF is equal to, अब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ है, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ को हम इस तरह कर सकते हैं, क्यों P मनफी क्यों F कर सकते हैं. नो हमने इक्वेशन से हमने स्फीरिकल मिरर फार्मूला मालूम करना है. 1/f इज इक्वल टू 1/p प्लस 1/q. हम किस तरह मालूम कर सकते हैं? बाय डिवाइडिंग बोथ इक्वेशन बाय p q f. दोनों इक्वेशन को p q f के साथ डिवाइड करने से. तो p q f डिवाइड करने के लिए हमने इस इक्वेशन को, ये जो दिया गया है, इस इक्वेशन को मैंने नाम नहीं दिया है, आप इसको नाम दे सकते हैं. इस इक्वेशन को P क्यों F पे डिवाइड करें. सो P F डिवाइडेड बाई P क्यों F, क्यों P डिवाइडेड बाई P क्यों F, क्यों F डिवाइडेड बाई P क्यों F. नाउ सिमिलर क्वांटिटीज़ को, सिमिलर नोटेशन को आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. P इज कैंसिल बाई दैट P, F इज कैंसिल बाई दैट F, क्यों कैंसिल S क्यों के साथ, P कैंसिल S P के साथ, क्यों कैंसिल F कैंसिल. सो वी गेट 1/q is equal to 1/f मनफी 1/p. So we are going to rearrange this equation by rearranging this equation, this manfi 1 over p is brought into the second other side of the equality. हम अदर साइड ऑफ द इक्वलिटी को अगर ये लेके जाएंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा. सो यू नो दैट 1 over f इज इक्वल टू 1 over p प्लस 1 over क्या हो, 1 over f इज इक्वल टू 1 over p प्लस 1 over क्या हो. एंड दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड मिरर फार्मूला, एंड इट इज आल्सो द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन image distance, object distance and focal length of the mirror. Object distance, image distance and focal length of the mirror.